If you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. Sometimes, multiplayer problems can stem from server outages. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game platform, Steam, Epic Games, etc., and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can resolve many multiplayer issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the platform's feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help fix multiplayer problems. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Check your internet connection and ensure that your NAT type is open. You may need to adjust your router settings or enable port forwarding for Red Dead Redemption 2 to improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve persistent issues that other troubleshooting steps may not fix. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your multiplayer experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.